In an age of Turkish Glocks, think different. Be a snub-nosed revolver. Specifically, a Colt Cobra 38 Special from J&G Sales. I just ordered this. I just got it today. This was $450 without shipping and handling and tax. So, definitely a little more expensive than the cheapest possible new revolver you could get. But still, I think, a reasonable price. This gun is CNR. All right, let's just see it. Man. All right. Okay. We have here a box within a box. And ta-da! Oops. Ta-da! All right. So let's have a look here. Okay. So it does have a fair amount of finish wear. Right, like that right there is just, I don't know where the heck that came from, but it is, the bluing is really worn off. And that side looks a little better. Yeah, a fair amount of bluing worn off around the front of the trigger guard. It feels good in the hand though. I'm glad I got wooden grips, a little slimmer, more svelte than big chunky black plastic grips. Let's see if this thing works. Oh yeah. Very, very good. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's see, actually I should have done that. Hold on. Let's see what the rifling looks like. Let me see with my own eye how it looks. Yeah, the rifling's okay. I can see all the lands and grooves. Don't seem to be any big defects or anything. Huh. Yeah, not bad. Seems to be fully functional. Wow. Yeah, my first snub-nosed 38. Awesome. I would say, well, I think it's a fair deal from J&G Sales, but really it's up to you. Just know that this is what you're going to get. It's not a lemon or anything. It's not as cheap as other, it's not like the extraordinary deal that I've gotten from places like J&G Sales on CNR handguns before, but it's fair.